Learn how to make carrot juice with lemon to lose weight. Does join carrot and lemon even help you lose weight? Let's answer this question by talking about these two foods separately first. Carrot. The carrot is very nutritious and does not offer large amounts of calories. In a vegetable unit, we usually find 30 calories. In addition, the carrot has many nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, proteins, fiber, beta-carotene, and vitamins A, B6, and C. If you still have doubts about whether carrots help you lose weight, know that they have a lot of fibers and water. In this way, our body is sated for a long period. Thus, people with less and then ended up losing weight naturally and health. Lemon. Lemon is a fruit that has few calories since a unit has only 17 calories. In addition, it has a lot of vitamin C. For those who do not know, the vitamin C is transformed into our body in an important antioxidant that helps to eliminate wastes and toxins that makes the body slow and contributes to fluid retention. This way, the person always seems to be overweight because the body is always slowing, especially the abdomen. Lemon also has a good amount of fiber. This way, satiety comes naturally. The person starts to eat less through the day, which is significant for weight loss. In lemon, we can still find the following nutrients: vitamin B6, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and protein. Lemon fibers can be lost at the time of preparing the juice along with the carrot, since they are present in the peel of the fruit. So, it is interesting to blend the lemon without peeling it. In addition, the highest concentration of vitamin C of the fruit is present in the peel. To make lemon juice with peels, you need to cut the fruit into slices. Carrot juice with lemon slim. Obviously, carrot juice with lemon helps you lose weight, but you need to combine the drink with a balanced diet and with the practice of exercise during the week. If you enjoyed the video, like and sign up for the channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!